Hi, nice to see you. I'm Sana here, your mental wellness life coach. Welcome. So let's get started. Feeling bad after an error feels good but lowers my energy to attract good. For example, let's say you spilled coffee all over your colleague's laptop. If you go into the negative, insult your colleague for placing their laptop in front of you, you attract anger, negative energy. Blame game playing is better approach with empathy and agreement to pay for the costs of replacing the damaged good. This is draining financially but not spiritually. Negative occurrences are signs from your divine. Don't be alarmed, there is only good. This fresh outlook is not evil oriented but fruitful on the events that happen in your life. I know someone whose sister left home. The ups and downs happened, but their mother's prayers strongly reunited the family eventually. Negative emotions were present due to the inability to wait for the good outcome of the reunion, which later on occurred. The enemy wants the family to give up and their prayers to feel useless. Not just negative emotions, but so do negative thoughts arise. According to the word of wisdom, hope is needed and not just faith. Hope says, I don't see it yet, but I know it shall arise. Hope is not weakness, it's welfare. The positive outcome will eventually arise in this life or even the next. People go through suffering, but the right spiritual prayers, readings, disarm with the right spiritual prayers and readings. Disarmament happens to the enemy. Next topic. So we're changing topics now. Cells don't have a comparison match, so they don't change a body. Think no thoughts about people's appearances. An occasional compliment as an aware being is enough. More than enough, actually. Try your best to avoid judging others because your cells pick up on evil observations. Even positive observations can age and deteriorate us. For example, an innocent observation on the age of another provokes your own deterioration. On an innocent tone or not, body is changed. That is why I suggest you don't judge others on their appearances. Just saying he is handsome, she is pretty is more than enough. That's it for today. I really appreciate your time with me. I have so much more messages that I received from Allah Universe, the higher self, the divine, which is Allah, God, Buddha, Jesus. Universe represents all faiths of love and acceptance and goodness. Because the universe is not evil; it's all good. It believes in the law of attraction, and um, when you do good, you receive good. When you do bad, you receive bad. So that's it for today. I wish you the best. Bye bye.